What's up, everybody? Big Kahuna Outdoors. This is Big Kahuna. I'm gonna run 3 shots down range, some turkey loads. Got some of this Nitro Turkey 3-inch, number 4 shot. I'm gonna pair it up with this Carson's long beard choke. I know it's made for the long beard ammunition, but we're gonna see what it does with this Remington Nitro Turkey. I also forgot to mention I'm going to be using a CZ 712 shotgun, 26-inch barrel with the long beard choke. Put it out about 27. Okay, here go the first shot, 30 yards. Gotta have my ammo up there. Don't do that. I'm gonna try this again at 40 yards and see what it do. CZ 712 3-inch Remington Nitro Turkey. I have a long beard turkey choke. Changed my mind. I'm not going to do the 50-yard shot. I'm going to do the 20. So it'll be a 20, 30, and 40-yard shot with the Remington Nitro Turkeys out of the Carson long beard choke. A bit closer, to probably seen this choke is throwing this load there to the left. Whole lot to the left. See where them pellets went?